Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start with our first Java program. So now we are going to start here. Okay, so before starting, I'll just tell you. So we have installed JDK, which is a prerequisite, and also we have downloaded and installed IntelliJ IDEA. Now we can start coding into IntelliJ IDEA. But before starting on any idea, I want you to start with something different. Like we will write a code and we will try to execute using command prompt. So let's get started. This will also help you to understand how Java works. So we'll press window and R. So this is how you can use it. You can write CMD, enter. Okay, now you can, from here you are going to execute the program. Go now. So I'll use Note. Okay, I use Notepad. Then we have to write Java code. So uh, now I'll be using syntax. So it's a Java syntax, which will be new for you. I'll I'll make sure you should understand each and every, whatever syntax I'm writing, you should understand each and every syntax. But right now, you have to just watch and just you have to learn. This is what you have to write it. Later on, you will understand why you are writing this, why you're writing that. So let's get started. So we'll write with okay, so first of all, we'll write class. So class and name is first Java program. Okay, we'll write opening and closing braces. We'll separate it. I will use tab, public, public, static, void, main. So you have to write in such a way. So this is the basic syntax that you have to write. Okay, one thing I forgot. S is capital. So this is square bracket. Sorry, it should be square bracket. ARGS, space and ARGS. Now you have to press tab system. So everything whatever I'm writing here, it's a case sensitive, so you have to make sure that you are writing it properly. So wherever if I'm writing S is capital, you should be writing it as capital. Out O is small, so you have to write it small. Okay, double quote, hello world. So we have to end it by semicolon. Similarly, what I'll do here, I'll copy the same code. Okay, paste it over. I'll just change the name. My first program. Okay, so now you have to control plus S, you have to save it. So I'll save on the desktop itself. Now you have to give the name. So what I'll do, I'll use the same name. First Java program dot Java. It will be a Java file, so extension will be Java. So you have to save it. Yeah, here you can see it's now you are able to so this is a Java program which we have written. So we have successfully created this Java file. Now we have to execute it. So what we will do, we'll just try to go to the path where this file exists. So it's on desktop. So we'll go right click on it. We'll see the property. So see user boy, this is the username, and on desktop the file is available. So what you can do, you are already on the username. You can just press CD desktop. This is how you can reach it. Or if you don't have to use your much mind where exactly it is, if it's in the same drive, it's a C drive. See, one thing that I want to tell you, like when we started this, automatically command prompts takes you on a C drive itself. So if wherever it is in C drive, we don't have to worry. We can just copy the root path and just enter CD and paste it. You can reach to that particular location, whatever you have written over here. Okay, if suppose your file is on another drive. It's not on C drive. So then what you will do? So CD, suppose some same thing is somewhere like, suppose I'll tell you here. Suppose this is D drive and something is in download. Suppose you have written this Java file here. So if you try to do CD and then you just paste it, okay, not copied. I'll copy it again. Okay, then enter. Now you're not able to switch to another drive. Then what you will do is CD will not work. CD, it's a CD is for only for change directory. So now what we will do, use D, whichever drive you want to go, just write the drive name, colon, enter. Here you are. Okay. So again, I have to, I don't, my file is on C drive, so I'll back on C drive. So I'll use the same procedure, C colon, I'm on C drive. So now we have to follow two steps. One is to compile this Java program and then we have to execute it. So for compilation, we have a command Java C and the name of the file. So it's a first Java program.java. Press enter. So it will compile. After compilation, you can see here there is a one more file has come. We'll see the property of this file. So it's a .class file. So what we are doing while compiling, we are converting our Java file into .class file. So now we have to execute this .class file. So the command is Java and the name of the file, you don't need extension, press enter. So whatever we had written, like you can open it. So if you open this Java file, you'll not able to understand anything. So this is a machine understandable language. So you don't have to worry. You have to only check this, what you have written in this. So if you make any changes over here, like if I make Java, my first program. So instead of that, I'll write my first Java program. Control S. I've saved it. Okay. So if you try to execute it, only this, because we have already compiled, we have this file. Then what is the result? Changes will not reflect. Okay. Let me also change this spelling mistake. It's a program. Okay. So what is the result here? So whatever we are making any changes, so it should first compile and then only we'll be able to execute it. Because running this Java command, it will only execute the file which is in .class. So what now we have to do, we have to convert the new Java file into .class file and then we have to execute it. So we have to compile it basically. So I'll compile. Compilation is done. So the existing file has been overridden, the .class file. Now if we try to execute this Java and come on, yeah, you can see that Java has introduced and also the program spelling is correct now. So this is how you can do it. One thing that I can uh, experience, suppose if I have deleted the dot class file, sorry, if I've deleted, okay, suppose if I have deleted this .java file, so will our program work? Let's see. Yeah, it will work because program Java has nothing to do with .java file. It has to do with only class file. Until and unless the .class file is available, it will execute it. If I delete this, definitely it will not able to find the path. Okay, so what we are getting the error over here, could not find or load main class first Java program. So it wasn't able to find the .class file. So this is what we can do. This is our first program. So I'll recommend you to start writing the commands in the notepad instead of using ID, because ID gives a lot of things that you get automatically command. So we're not able to learn those commands. So I'll recommend you to start writing in a notepad. So which will help you and which will help you to practice the command like public, static, void, manual. You'll able to learn all those syntaxes. So thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in next video again. Please subscribe my channel. Keep learning. Bye bye.